Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for another edition of Practical Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係林澤少 Joseph Lin. And this month we have a common theme, and that is what's going on or what happened. 發生什麼事？
發生乜嘅事情？
發生乜嘅事情？發生 again is happening stuff, all right? 乜嘅事情 is what is going on. All right, so what's happening? If you see someone looking unhappy,or maybe excited, but unhappy in this scenario, you might ask what happened. 好，那今天呢是比较郁闷的事情，因为有的时候呢出个车祸，一个小车祸，一个小擦撞，你整天心情就很
不准
down 到底啊，对，真的是。Okay, if you get in an accident, you might show on your face. So let's teach you terms associated with when you get into a situation like this, a sticky situation like this. 车祸 accident.
查科
Okay, 查 that's a car, fall in an accident. Car accident, 查科。当然出车祸的时候要叫警察来，然后做笔录等等，而且要看对方有没有保险，对自己有没有保险更重要了哈。你有保险吗？这等一下我们来教。但是保险怎么说呢？ How do you say insurance?
保險。
保險。
那海陆腔保險。
It sounds like you want to choose something in Taiwanese, but it's a different dialect for insurance. 保險. Also, you want to get down the license plate number of the other party's car. 通常还要抄下这个车牌号码嘛，哈。
对，查牌號碼。
哦，查牌就是车子的牌子嘛，哈。That's the car plate. 號碼。
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 號碼。OK， 所以號碼不管是電話號碼還是住址的號碼，都是號碼。
對。
Okay, that means number. So entirely, it's 車牌號碼。
查牌號碼。
查牌號碼 That's your car license plate number. All right, let's make a phrase. 我刚才说嘛，要教这个你有保险吗？刚刚教了保险，那要问说你有保险吗？ Do you have insurance? How do you say that?
有保險嗎？
有保險嗎？ All right, let's review all these terms. All right, 希望大家不要出车祸了。但万一出车祸，然后呢，在那个状况又可以讲客语的话，你可以讲这几个字跟词汇咯。好，第一个车禍 accident.
查科。
查科 Then the insurance 保險。
保險。
保險 And then the car license plate number 車牌號碼。
查牌號碼。
查牌號碼 And it's all about what's going on or what happened 發生什麼事。
發生乜嘅事情。
發生乜嘅事情 Again, I hope you don't get into an accident, but now you have more tools dealing with it. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.